Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and watch my videos and please give you a thumbs up to boost up my knowledges to share further on upcoming videos to be better and better. Okay. So coming to the topic, yesterday I have posted on video. Whoever not watched, please go and watch that video. As I said, this is the zones which I have marked yesterday. Okay, you can check the video. So I mark like for the short position and long position. Okay, so I posted here like for the downtrend. Once this level, right, after retracement, if it is broken, it will come to short position. Okay, we can take short position. For long position, what I said here, because this is strong resistance. Once take a retracement from here, you can go for long position. Okay, but what happened, and as I said, today is Wednesday, it will be like a sideways day due to expiry day tomorrow. Okay, please note down again. You can check on my yesterday video too. Okay, I repeated now. So same thing happened. It will be on huge premium erosion happened today. Okay, so if anyone taken trades, it has been premium eroded whoever buy calls, whoever shorted down, every premium has been eroded on the first half. Okay, and on the second half, not the second half, on the end of the trading day, it was broken the high, like that resistance, and it's broken this level as I said. Okay, so started going up. Okay, so I have scalped a little here. Once broken, I scalped it because it is around 100 points. It is moved. Okay, you can check it. I scalped little and I exited immediately because going to end of the day we don't want to wait for a long time. That's what. But if it is broken before, right, it will surely win at least 80% of this resistance. We can trial the stop loss. Okay. Even though if you are taken trade here, if you trial the stop loss, anyway will come out with the good profit only. Okay. So, but the day is ended with the up move. That's it. Otherwise, it will move uh, further too. Okay. So, as I predicted, like yesterday, based on the price actions, it has worked today too. Okay. So, whoever not watch that video, please watch it and let me know your comments. Okay. So, so based on the price actions and levels, I am posting videos every day, like post market report like this, and also next day levels. Okay, so please watch it and let me know your queries or any other supports. Okay, I can able to share my knowledges how much it is possible. Okay, so that's what I am doing here. So please check the old videos and then come to the new videos so that you can able to understand the concepts and markets analysis. Okay, most importantly for beginners, please watch my old videos. Okay, uh, for you guys only, I'm started the channel just converted yesterday from Tamil to English. Okay, because to reach everywhere. Okay, so yeah, many people can able to understand this concepts and able to earn money in the share markets. Hence, I have changed my channel. So if you know the Tamil, then you can watch the old videos. Okay. If you don't know, means please follow from now. You can able to understand the markets clearly. I will post every day for post market and next day levels for pre market reports and also technical analysis like moving averages, whatever levels, how to market, right? What is the stop loss? Even though I posted about the stop loss yesterday, please watch that video too. Okay, you can just follow me through this trading journey. We can grow together. Okay, this is my plan. So hope I can expect your supports further. Okay, so this is a post market video for today. So tomorrow will be the expiry day. We'll have to wait for a day to end, whether it will be a normal expiry day or it will be a zero to hero tomorrow. Because we cannot able to predict that, but maximum it will be a some kind of a trending day. We'll see. I will post about that on next video for next day levels, expiry day levels. Then we can discuss about this. Okay. Thank you so much.